Check out this great looking truck, 1967 Chevrolet C10. This vehicle is actually in the same family from 1967 when it was new up until 2009. It was purchased and then restored, and just a great job done at that. It was a frame off restoration. It was all new metal with the exception of the cab. It's finished in a gloss black paint with a satin clear coat, and it's stunning on here with the red scallops. As you can see, it's just beautiful, extremely straight truck. Frame was also painted with POR 15. All mechanical, suspension, everything gone through when this truck was restored. Like I said, frame off restoration. Check out the still picture. You can see the underside of it, engine bay, everything, and how nice it is. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to call us too. We can answer any questions you may have on this. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. Underneath the hood is a rebuilt 283 MSD ignition, Edelbrock manifold, Holley carb, 570, 4-barrel actually, Hedman headers. Like I said, that's all been rebuilt and redone when this car was, or I should say this truck was restored. Great looking interior. As you can see, it's got a Tuxedo tonneau cover back here. Also has a spray-in bed liner, Summit racing wheels. Again, just a great looking truck. You don't have to be afraid to get in, turn the key, and go. Is a Tremec manual transmission paired up with that 283. Very, very nice driver quality truck. You could show this one, take it to your local cruise-ins. This one will make the next owner proud. Again, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Like I said, feel free to give us a call too, 507-386-1726. We do consider trades, financing is available, and of course we can assist with the transportation to where you are located at. Again, look down this driver's side, see how straight this thing is. It's a great look with that satin clear and bright red scallops. I did it steering column in here with tilt. It does have power steering and power brakes. Underneath the hood, we'll fire it up too so you can hear it run and check it out. The gas tank has been relocated, by the way. Has been relocated to the rear underneath the bed there. Let's check out how nice the interior's done too. Red and black two-tone combination. This is temporary. If you wanted to ride 3 people up here, that will come out. Just a little added armrest and center console cup holders. Finished off as nice on the inside as it is on the outside. Let's go ahead and start it up so you can hear this one run. Oh, I forgot to mention it does have a receiver for a trailer hitch underneath the license plate that can fold. There's electric brake also added up in it if you'd happen to want to pull a little camper, pull any sort of trailer with it. See how easily and smoothly it starts. Nice retro type radio installed there. Grant steering wheel. Slip around back in here. How smooth it runs, so nice that door closes. Nice sounding V8 underneath the hood. Straight line customs, since we did the painting on this, by the way. Let's slip up front, pause this video for a second. We'll open the hood so you can check out the engine bay on this beauty. Alright, here's the engine bay. See, this is finished off just like the rest of the truck. It's very nice. Power steering, power brakes. did, check out those still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Feel free to call us, 507-386-1726. Like I said earlier, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and we can sure assist with transportation. 1967 Chevrolet C10 pickup, complete frame-off restoration. Very nice truck.